If you live in any city in India that has a suburban train network such as Chennai or Mumbai, you know the pain of standing in queue to book tickets. But that's about to change as Indian Railways has introduced the UTS app. UTS stands for Unreserved Ticketing System and will allow passengers to book seats for local trains that don't require reservation. So without further ado, let's get started as we tell you how to book train tickets through the UTS app. Download the UTS app. The app is available to download on both Google Play Store and iOS App Store. Once downloaded, open the app. Tap on the three-dot icon on the top right. Select registration and complete the process by filling in your details. Once done, hit generate OTP, enter it and hit submit. This will finish the registration process on the UTS app. Now let's go ahead with the steps that are required to book the paperless ticket on the app. Open the UTS app and log in with your details if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on Book Ticket. Now from here you can book train tickets on the basis of daily travel, or you can book a season ticket as well that has a validity starting from a month all the way up to a year. But we'll talk about it later. For now, let's talk about the normal booking. So on the next page, select normal booking and under booking mode, you'll see two options: book and travel paperless and book and travel paper. Let's use the paperless option for now. Now the app will filter the stations according to your present location. Do note you need to be less than 2 kilometers from the source station. If you are over 2 kilometers away, the UTS app won't let you book a paperless ticket. Now select the station where you want your journey to start from and also select your destination. On the next screen, select the number of passengers that can be up to 4 people. Select the train type, the payment gateway, and once done, hit OK. On the next screen, confirm all the details and when you're ready, tap Book Ticket. This step will redirect you to the payment gateway where you can complete the payment. Once done, you'll be able to view the ticket on the UTS app by going to the booking history page. Now say you're not in the radius of 2 kilometers and still wish to book the train ticket. Well, in that case, when you go to the booking mode page, this time select Book and Travel Paper. This will give you the flexibility to select the start station of your choice as well as the destination. After that, on the next screen, review the number of passengers, train type, payment type and hit OK. After that, verify your details and once sure, hit Book Ticket. This will redirect you to the payment gateway page, complete the payment and you're good to go. Now with the normal booking procedure out of the way, let's talk about season ticket and what it does. Well, say your everyday route is fixed and you don't like the hassle of booking tickets every day. In that case, you can make a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or a yearly pass. This will save you time, energy and money. So to book a season ticket, from the Book Tickets page, select Season Ticket. You can choose whether you want a paperless or a paper ticket. We'll go for paperless. On the next screen, tap on Issue Ticket. Enter your source station and your destination station. Now select your train type, class type and duration. Your name and gender would be pre-filled. Go ahead and select your ID card type and enter the ID number. Select the payment type, enter your address and finally tap on Get Fare. On the next page, verify your details and once all is OK, hit Book Ticket. You will be redirected to the payment gateway page, complete the payment and you're all set. Now before you go ahead and book tickets on the UTS app, there are a few things that you need to remember that is surely going to help you. Paperless tickets can be accessed online on the UTS app. So even if there's no internet connectivity available, then you will still be able to check the ticket and show it to the ticket inspector on the train. You can't book paperless tickets when standing on the railway track or when you are inside a train. This worked for us sometimes because GPS is not entirely accurate, but in most cases the app will not allow you to book a ticket when you're inside the train. Make sure to charge your phone's battery, because if your phone's battery goes dead, then your book ticket on the app is useless. Now, we showed you how to book the paper tickets through the UTS app, but this is not something we will recommend. There are a few reasons for this. First, you need to print the ticket at smart ticket kiosks at the railway station. Just by chance, if you don't print it, then you can be fined. Second, the ink on the tickets printed at kiosks tend to fade rather quickly, so we strongly advise you not to book paper season tickets via the UTS app. Lastly, there are quite a few of the kiosks at railway stations that don't work, so you don't want to be stuck in a situation where you can't print your ticket. And that's about it for this video. We hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.